Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly disable Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Right now I'm using a Windows 11 PC right now, but the steps are pretty much the same. So click the Windows key on your keyboard and you simply want to go ahead and type in turn Windows, and you will find the Windows turn Windows features on and off or on or off, and you want to click on that. Now from here within the list you will see the Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services. You go ahead and uncheck that and then click on OK, and just wait for it to search for those files and apply them. And then once it is done, you can close out and restart your computer. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.